Everybody lie down. Okay, lie down.
Why do you people come out? Why do you people come out today that you know that you sit at home? Huh? Why do you people come out today that you know that you sit at home? Huh? I'm asking you people questions. Huh? They say what? Why everybody down? I want you people to be obeying the rules of Biafran. You need to obey the rule of Biafran. If they flog you today, you people will know that you don't need to be coming out any day they have sit at home. You understand? Whatever government said is what you people will do. Don't ever violate the rule of government again, government of Biafran. We want our country to be good. We don't want it to be bad. So that's why they have to treat you people so that tomorrow you will not come out again. Any day they ask you people to come out, whenever they have sit at home, you tell the person, no, you are not going to school. Yes, that's why they're supposed to give you a little punishment. If they give you people punishment, then you will know that you will never come out again whenever they have sit at home. Yes. As you can see, look at their teacher. Today is 5th of July. We want them not to be coming out, but their teacher deceived them to come out, telling them that they don't have anything to sit at home. They should come out for their WAEC or whatever. But we have to treat them so that next time they will never try it again. Yes. It's happening live and direct here in Enugu West. One of the community schools like that in Enugu West. Yes, as you can see, they are here.
The children say that the headmistress asked them to come.
Yes, their headmistress, we have to go and look for it, wherever it is. Where is he? Go and get him. Go and get the headmistress. Go and get him. Get him here. Sit at home, and people try to deceive you people. You will tell the people no, that you will not come, that they have sit at home. They announce in radio that there is sit at home, even that you don't hear it on radio. But since you hear that they have sit at home, you obey that the law of Biafran. You obey the law, because if you try to violate the law, that means you are doing like zoo. That means you show that you people are zoo. If you are not zoo, you will not try to violate the law of Biafra. That 7 days sit at home, you obey that law. You understand? But you try to violate the law. Why should you people? Huh? You say now that will obey you people. Yeah, you auntie, what do you have to say? You will say something by violating the law of the Biafran. What do you have to say?
I said, at least you came and witnessed it. When I asked the children, I just came. I said, close lock up the doors. I came and they locked it. That's what I'm saying now. That's what I'm saying. I told them to lock the place and go.
What was your reason?
The reason is that today is 5th July. They're supposed to take the first community certificate exam, which was fixed. So they're supposed to take it, and I relaxed in my house. So somebody now came and said that they're going to write the exam today. I said, since we have sit at home, yesterday I did not come out. Today I refused to come. Then they said that they will have the first community certificate. I said, okay, let me see whether my children, because my work is just to organize the children. And somebody said that they are already here. So when I just came, immediately I came, I saw that they opened this door and opened the hall. And I told them to lock up the whole place. At least this my brother would hear me witness, because I saw them when they came. And I was just leaving. When I insulted the children, lock up everywhere and go. That was my, so I was surprised that I came and called me. I was just in my friend's house. I was surprised. So that's why I don't know what to say again, since he refused to hear me out.
You have violated by seeing you here. Because if you pass that information, what you would have done is that when you pass the information, you leave immediately. You will not waste any time. Because now that you waited till we came, that they have to show you anything that any hand that will give you people you treat, you will bear it with us, because you are the one that caused it that way. So I want you people to say something now. What do you have to say about the issue? What happened today? I want to hear. You will not try it again. Any day they have sit at home, even if it is your headmistress that asks you to come to school, tell him no.